Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And we provide Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads being suspended, and even we help with clients with Google Ads audit, setup, or management. In case if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And I look forward to working with you. So now today I'm here with an amazing unreliable claim video where a client had a very different issue and the account was not being suspended, but their ads were being disapproved for unreliable claim. But not all of the ads were being disapproved. Only some of the ads were disapproved, and he was very surprised to know on how it's working. Like this you can see over here that this one third one is a fine, but 1 2 3 4 it's not working over here, and it was under appeal, and the issue was consistent over there. So what we did was, the first of all we thought usually whenever there is a scenario like this happen, when you see that some of the ads are no in an other ad group is working fine and in the other one it's not working fine. So then what we do is, we usually look around for ad assets, and the ad assets could be a problem in getting your ads approved. For instance, the ad assets are usually site extensions, people use like site links. Let me show you some kind of an ad text. These are assets, these are ad extensions like link, side links, like location extension, review map extension, and there are variety of other extensions as well. These are all of the ad assets, and sometimes it's in case if it's a video ad, sometimes it's an image which is causing an issue. But you can see where this was a simple ad, and these are I have used different assets also known as ad extension. So the originally I thought that the issue was over there, but when we contacted with the Google team, it was find out that that is not an issue, but a manual review was required over there, and the ad was automatically being disapproved. Let me show you from few things. So you can see over here that few of the things which my team suggested was that there were some issues on the headings, there were some issues in the context, which also affects the authenticity and legitimate or not being able to being legit, called as a legit website due to this. And we also suggested adding positive testimonials are always not a good idea, but having a neutral reviews are also fine as well to bring more authenticity and naturality. So we suggested them to add some good reviews, and if you can get independent reviews from your natural audience, that would be a very feasible and a very preferred option. And then the website said that they are connected to all the official websites and can order card from there, but this is not the case because you need some documents, you need some proof to verify your authenticity or your relationship with the original website which we wanted them. You can see over here that they will say that our website shows you a list with links, and there were no links to the main official website either, and there was no relationship being shown. So we suggested them as well, because you can see that this was the invalid links as well. So there were few invalid links as well. We also did the malware scanner, we also did the broker link scanner, we also thoroughly reviewed the content for plagiarism. Even though the plagiarism doesn't have to be over here, there the issue was not for plagiarism, but we discussed. We also look for any null plugins, themes, malware issue, compromised site issue, because when your account or ads are being disapproved for any issue, you need a thorough review, because if you are asking for a manual review, and in case if usually what happens is, in case if you have other website issues, if your website gets resolved from unreliable claim and went into other issues, so the process goes longer. And now for manual review, everything needs to be in compliant. So this is what we did. And another thing is, we do not want our client account to go into suspension, so which is why we used our own test accounts. I'm not sure. Okay, you can see over here that I'm going to refresh in front of you guys as well to show you that this is all so after manual discussion, after thoroughly reviewing broker links, malware issues, plugins issues, even coding issues, sometimes it's a placeholder coding issue as well, which affects, sometimes it's a null theme issue, sometimes it could be an other issue, broker link, a plagiarism issue, sometimes it's a favicon issue, sometimes you get complaints from users, or sometimes it's your competitors complaining about you. So, I mean, there are so many factors and there are so many reasons. So being a Google partner, where my team discussed with the Google, we got the domain manually approved for this company. So you can see over here that that domain is no longer being disapproved for unreliable claims, and we got it approved. Usually sometimes what people say is happens is that the domain usually gets labeled into disapproval for unreliable claims, and any of your ad will be gets into unreliable. And you may be asking the other ads being approved, but you know that the other ads were sooner going to be disapproved as well, because it was a domain penalty, and we got it manually restored again, thanks to my team, and thanks to the Google support, because both of them continuously worked hard, sorted out issues, told you a few of the context issues on the website which we thought, but we ran all of the tests to make sure the compliance is being done. There was no issues in the assets either, and this is another successful case study for unreliable claim. In case if you need our help for sorting out unreliable claim issue, or compromised site, malware, misrepresentation, or even Google Ads suspension, or in case if you need Google Ads setup, audit, or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And I look forward working with you. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and in case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Take care and bye bye.